Where from?
I am from Jember.
You study in here?
Yes, I am study in here.
Oh, I'm studying here also.
What is your major?
My major in FERI, Islamic Economic 4.
Oh, Sam. By the way, what is your name?
Oh, my name is Muhammad Tariq Amar Zaki. What is your name?
My name is Muhammad Nabilul Mubarak. How old are you?
I am 19 years old.
Oh, Sam.
Hey, come here, come here.
Where are you going? I go to I am go to market. What do you want to buy? I am buy drink. By the way, what is your name, bro? My name is Alec. Where are you hometown? My hometown in Bulacan. How old are you? I am 20 years old.
Sorry, bro. I'm going to bathroom.
Yes.
Hello, bro.
What are you doing?
Nothing, nothing. Sit down, sit down, sit down.
Okay. What are you going? I'm going to from my friends, push train Mobile Legend, go to Immortal. Where are you from? I'm from Probolinggo, city Wangkal, Gading, Probolinggo. East Java, Indonesia Pride. In the afternoon, we are study in Islamic University Kiamat Siding Jember. I'm my major Islamic Economic. I'm Islamic Economic. I'm studying economic in Jember. I'm good to my hometown. My hometown is Probolinggo because I'm dah. Guys, it's your review.
Assalamualaikum.
Sana.